Magnum Meat Injector gun from SpitJack is the highest quality and best performing meat and flavoring injector available. The basic injector set includes the injector made up of the chassis and the barrel, one 5.5-inch open slant tip needle for marinades with small spice or herb particles, and one 5.5-inch closed tip side perforated needle for liquid-only flavoring solutions. Additional accessories for the injector are also available. They include an oversized opening needle for marinades with larger particles or small minced chunks, a shorter, thinner gauge needle for smaller cuts that leaves less visible holes, which is useful for competition barbecue, a needle cleaning brush, and a custom case that accommodates the injector, 4 needles, and a cleaning brush. Before its first use, it's a good idea to disassemble the injector so that you can clean it and its components thoroughly to remove all manufacturing and shipping residue. Do not use a dishwasher. Clean all parts by hand. Select the correct needle for the injecting application and thread it into the open end of the plastic barrel. Depress the plunger rod fully so it rests at the front end of the barrel, up near the needle. To fill the barrel, place the tip of the needle into your prepared marinade and slowly draw back on the plunger rod until the barrel is full. Rotate the dose selection knob at the rear end of the barrel to select the amount of marinade, anywhere from 1 to 5 milliliters, to be injected with each pull of the handle. The arrow on the side of the chassis points to the amount. If you're just starting out, we recommend setting the amount to 1 or 2 milliliters. Slowly insert the needle into the desired location on the cut of meat, as deep as possible. If it has perforations, make sure all penetrate beneath the surface. Squeeze the handle to inject the selected dose of marinade. With some large cuts of meat, it's desirable to inject doses at varying depths as you slowly withdraw the needle from the meat. Once you're satisfied with the dosing at one site, repeat the insertion and injection process at various sites throughout the cut until it's seasoned thoroughly. Some liquid may seep out of the meat during this process, which is completely normal. And that's all there is to it. The SpitJack Magnum Meat Injector is manufactured in the USA. The rubber-coated pistol grip design reduces hand fatigue during large jobs while providing firm and balanced control. The 50 milliliter polypropylene barrel is food safe, and the plunger head features an FDA-approved rubber O-ring. The injector has the heft of an industrial-grade tool, the feel and precision of a medical-grade instrument, and is guaranteed for 1 full year, even for the heavy use of competition barbecue.